Arellano, you want to take better shots. Find the more open guy. Move the ball better.
Cometa for three.
Capitalizing on their second chance points. If you're Arellano, you don't want to give away too many offensive rebounds and extra possessions to your opponent.
And Torres comes up with the board. Here's Cometa navigating his way through traffic. Stops, pops, and connects.
Grabe yung skills niya sa ball handling, yung shiftiness niya, yung footwork niya. And most importantly, yung ability niya mag-finish ng gano'ng mga basket. Has it missed?
Itong si Ondoa, he's kind of like Mabua's Yam Concepcion. These are the type of players who just seem to have a nose for the ball. Can't give Arellano any signs of hope here.
Yes.
Lalo na pag umabot sa striking distance.
Doing moves like that na makakapagbigay siya ng magandang pasa. He's just doing everything.
Cometa. Wow, sabi niya kain. Wild shot missed by Sanko Morales with the offensive rebound. Kamay. Torres with the steal.
It's a series of interceptions from both teams. Wow! Defensive execution before the halftime. Letting his shooters in, Ancheta in.
Wow! Got Cometa around!
Okay.
JL Capulong. Gab Cometa. Wow, streaking down the lane, Cometa with 17 first half points. Clear out for Cometa. Cometa pulls up. He can't be stopped. Gab. Oh, Cometa shaking Ongotan. Gab Cometa is on another planet.
Nakanganga na ako. In and out move. And one dribble pull up. That's a skill work put into the game.
Nasushook yung bantay eh. Literal na nasushook yung bantay.
Pre, ano pre? Magmimitis ka ba, pre? Kota ka na.
Cometa is feeling it.
Oh! Kahit anong bato.
Gab Cometa is on fire. Hot zone.
Nakita mo kung paano niya nilayup yun? Yung parang hindi siya shoot. Pero shoot pa rin.
Dinoya for three. Gab Cometa sizing up his defender. Can I have this dance? Basket on the other side. Ongotan was shooked. Made you look. And Cometa racing to the basket like a comet. He is not from here.
And just look at his face. Parang walang nangyari.